All right, what's up? Today is the last day to grab the SnipeKit deal for the Six-Figure Copy Academy. What is SnipeKit? SnipeKit is my brand new lead finder tool for copywriters. It is made specifically for freelance. It is the only lead finding tool for copywriters on earth. It is the only lead finding tool that will show you instantly who's running ads, who's running meta ads or Google ads, along with a number of other things like who has an email list and whatnot. It will track down and show you what niche, so you can verify these guys have a marketing budget. One of the biggest problems with new copywriters is they're going after broke clients who don't have a marketing budget, who don't have any money to hire a copywriter, and you wonder why you struggle to make $500 a month. Well, guess what? SnipeKit solves that. And so right now there's a deal to grab SnipeKit. It is only accessible through the Six-Figure Copy Academy. Now let me just show you SnipeKit quickly because this ends today in just a few hours at 5 p.m. Eastern. Okay, SnipeKit, what is it? SnipeKit is the lead finding tool and tracker for copywriters. So here we have 91,000 companies in the database already. You can narrow down by e-com, info, how big the company is, how much revenue they're making estimate, what social media they have, and if they're running ads. Look at this. Click on meta ads and all of a sudden we got 25,000 companies here running Facebook and Instagram ads. Google ads. Click on this and we're going to see 22,000 companies running Google ads. So you can filter by people who actually have a marketing budget. They're spending money on marketing. Those are the kind of people that you want to land as a copywriter. Those are the people who will give you $1,000 to $4,000 a month retainers like that. Okay, so with SnipeKit, not only can you find these guys, but now you can actually track your outreach all in one place. Look at this. I made a lead list for health e-commerce brands. We got a whole bunch of people on here, and now I'm going to track everything from DM, first DM, if they replied, sending them free value, following up, people who got on a call, and people who I've won as a client. But that's not all. Check this out. We just did a big upgrade to SnipeKit, and now you can actually, like, the biggest problem with people once they are starting outreach is managing their outreach, tracking it. The lead tracking tool helps you manage that. But how do you know where you're going wrong? Why am I not? I'm outreaching. Why isn't it working? That's where the outreach stats dashboard comes in. Look at this. You're going to track every single stage of the pipeline, just like a proper sales funnel. What's your conversion from DM to reply? So how many people actually reply to your DMs? And you're going to have insights into whether that's healthy or not. So you'll know where you're going wrong. Your conversion from free value to call. So if you send an audit and sample over to somebody and you're like, what's going on? Like, why am I not landing clients? Well, maybe your call rate isn't that good from free value to call. Well, there's a problem that you got to fix there. Your call to client. So how many people do you get on a call? Do you actually close? This is your close rate, right? Proper sales close rate for a call. My students can average about 70, 80% close rate. If you're under 40, 50%, you probably got to improve your calls. And then your proper conversion all the way from DM to client. And that conversion rate, you can track all your outreach funnel, every single stage here. Your per list breakdown, so every single niche you are going after here. And then your outreach activity by day. It's like, hey, what's going on? I was getting more people on calls last week than this week. What's happening? Oh, well, maybe I just wasn't doing as much as I normally do, right? You can track every single DM you sent, every time you sent free value, follow-ups, literally everything here. Oh, on top of that, we get streaks going, baby. So look at this, DM machine. You send your initial 10 DMs per day, you get this badge, DM machine. You drop your free value 1 per day, you get this one. You follow up 2 times per day, you get this badge. They're tracked on the top. You go back to the dashboard and go find all the leads you want. 91,000 companies and counting in here. Now, how do you access SnipeKit? How do you actually use this thing, right? Because the whole point of SnipeKit is to turn 1 hour of prospecting every day into 1 minute, okay? And beyond that, it now serves as an entire outreach hub where you can not just find the guys who actually have money, but then you can track it and see the whole thing. Basically, outreach is now gamified and made way easier with SnipeKit. But SnipeKit is only accessible through one place, the Six-Figure Copy Academy. This is my Six-Figure Copy Academy, which is a group coaching program for 100 copywriters with the goal to make $10K a month as a copywriter. And if you sign up today, not only are you guaranteed to get your first paid client within 90 days, or you'll get your money back. That's my guarantee. There's no other copywriting program on earth that offers that. But also, right now, today is the last day of a 3-day promo to celebrate the launch of SnipeKit. And if you join the Academy today at my link in bio or description, wherever you're watching this, if you join today, not only are you going to get access to the Academy, which is my full course. I'll just show you the Academy quickly. You're going to get my full course, right? the 6-figure copywriter course, you got master copywriting. You're going to learn how to land clients, how to serve those clients and manage them, how to scale 6 figures, all these bonuses, bonus email course, all these goodies here and tons of bonuses. Okay, you're going to get access to a community of 100 copywriters. You can see who's online right now, literally 4 guys online. You're going to get access to people who are winning, right? What the heck they're doing. Kevin just landed a $4K a month retainer. He beat out 40 copywriters. 40 people applied to this. He got the job, right? This is the kind of stuff that you can expect when you join. Look at these wins. People are winning. First free client, small project, sniper win, another win, first sales call booked, $350 for 2 emails. Michael took a vacation. He's landed a couple $1,500, $2,500 clients. More wins here. We got people Upwork gig, $1,000 day, $2,000 client. This is the people in the academy. You can see the dates. You can DM these people if you want to go see if this is legit. This is all real. It's Kevin So, another $2,000 dream client. Apprenticeship accepted. Austin, $1,500 cash collected on the spot in the gym. Some guy pulled up $1,500 cash, said, yeah, make me my website. What else? We got a new client, another client landed. Med spa client secured. Med spa referral. 2 clients one day. Elena, $1,000 a month. Landed her first client 1 month in for 4 emails a month. Imagine that, $1,000 for writing 4 emails. Pretty crazy. Another client closed. Dental office, first sales call, $1,000 upsell client, right? You can go find these people, DM them, see if this is all real, but I can guarantee you it is. Look at those people. Austin, $3,000 gym client. Win to end 2025. Steve Dorsey, $3,500 US client for email marketing. There you go. And that's just a couple of the wins that are happening inside the academy. It's so cool. This is basically everything that I wish I had when I was a brand new copywriter. Okay. I've been doing this for 7 years. When I first started, I bought all the courses, all the books, all the whatever, but everything was so jumbled, all so confusing. There's no like set system in place. I created everything I wanted. A group coaching community, a group coaching program, a community, an entire course, a roadmap. You get a roadmap, daily checklist, literally every single thing that you need to work on every single day. Like, I'm not joking when I say you need stuff to work on every single day. Like, look at this. I'm just going to show you. Course orientation. When you log into the course, you go to the bonus 90-day roadmap overview, and look at this. You literally get a full roadmap. Look at this. Every single thing. Day 1, do these things. Estimated time, 2 hours. Day 2, watch these videos, do these things. Done. Day 3, look at this. This is your roadmap. Day 22, here's your little actions. Here's your task for the day. Watch this video, do this stuff, right? Day 24, literally all the way to day 90, right? Every single, you don't have to even think about what to do anymore and wonder if you're doing the right things. It's all in here. Now, on top of that, you get group coaching calls every single week. You can ask questions in the community, just like people do all the time, right? Hey, look at this. Okay. Hey, here's a little framework to find email clients. I got an outreach question. I've done this. What's going on? How's my conversion rate, right? People come in here, okay? I'll answer your questions, but also the community is going to come in. Guys who are a couple steps ahead of you will also help out and tell you what's going on and whatnot, right? Any questions you have, you can ask them in the community. And if you want even more help, guess what we do? Every single week on Tuesdays, we do a group coaching call where you can ask questions live to me on the spot and then hear what's working best with other people on the fly, like in real time, how people are landing clients in March 2026 right now. On top of that, you get weekly copywriting feedback. Look at this. Here's the feedback from this week. 4 days ago, post your copy here by this day. Boom, boom, boom. There's Mark Cuban. Not sure what he's doing there, but here's everybody's copy. Here you go, here you go, here you go. And then guess what we do? I send back a video breaking down your copy. Here's a Loom video I sent back. Loom video I sent back here. Loom video back. Loom video, right? 5-10 minutes where I just break down your copy, tell you what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, what to fix, all this stuff. So join today, and here's what you get. You get all this. You get the academy, like literally the entire academy, where, by the way, you're guaranteed to get a paid client in 90 days, or you get your money back. That's my guarantee in the academy. You get to join all these people who are winning, right? 100 other copywriters. You get group coaching calls. You get a full course of everything you're supposed to do. You get copywriting feedback every single week. You get group coaching calls every single week. You get to be around people winning. Kevin, $4,000 retainer. He beat 40 copywriters to land this. And that's just one of his clients. He's over $5,200 for the month so far, right? You get SnipeKit. Look at this. Dive in. You have your entire outreach in one place now. Find the people who have the money. 91,000 companies broken down by niche. However you want to break it down. E-com, beauty, food and beverage, info, online courses, relationship coaches, whatever, SaaS, right? You have your outreach tracker. So now you can add these people to a list and like, here's a little note on who they are. Here's their socials. Here's their niche. Okay, I DM this person. They replied. This person sent free value. These people I got a DM and blah, blah, blah. Oh, who are the people who I sent free value to? Let's just look at those people. Oh, there we go. Just those guys. Great. Who did I book a call with? Oh, Rajani. Sweet. Okay. And who did I get a reply from? Those guys. Okay. Sweet. And now it's all tracked as well in outreach stats over here. Look at this. Exactly what you're doing right, exactly what you're doing wrong, and exact roadmap. Click the link today. Click the link in my bio. Click the link in the description, wherever you are. You get all of this. And if you join by 5 p.m. today, you're also going to get a bonus one-on-one coaching call with me for free on top of all this. People who joined the academy last week, they didn't get this. If you join today by 5 p.m. Eastern, there's only a few hours left, so I don't know when you're watching this. 2 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Eastern. Join today. You're going to get all of that. And you're going to get a free copy of Adweek Copywriting Handbook. That's this book right here. Boom. This is the greatest copywriting book on earth. Everything you need to learn the foundations from a dude who sold hundreds of millions, Joseph Sugarman. Best book ever. You're going to get that for free. I'm going to ship it right to your front door. That's $30. And you're also going to get a one-on-one call with me for 30 minutes, which is $200 for free. So we can hop in and assess where you're at and just give you a custom roadmap, game plan, specifically for you, exactly what you should be doing and focusing on most to go land clients fast. So if that sounds good to you, if you want to get your first client in 90 days guaranteed, if you want to join a community of 100 other ambitious copywriters, serious, many of them already making full-time income, who are a few steps ahead of you, can also help you out, and the hell of a 6-figure copywriter for the past 7 years who's generated millions in results for his clients, wink, wink, hint, hint, then join today. You got nothing to lose. There's no risk. You join today, you don't get a client in 90 days, I refund 100% of your money. Best case scenario, you start making 10K a month as a copywriter or more. And you finally get to be able to work from your laptop from anywhere in the world, from home, from a coffee shop, from Thailand, Italy, Australia, Canada, wherever you want to go, Jamaica, like Portugal, whatever. Or if you want to just stay where you're living too, that's fine too. But you get all that when you click the link in bio today. So go join. The bonuses are gone at 5 p.m. Eastern. Copywriting book's gone. Free bonus coaching call is gone. So if you want that, join today. Oh, and here's the price. $3.96 a day. That's it. It's literally cheaper than a grande caramel macchiato at Starbucks or a double cheeseburger at McDonald's. So if you can afford either of those things, you can join the academy. See you on the inside.